Well, this is a fine. How do you do? I'm trying to type the code sheet, Morse code, using Excel. But we're having a bit of an issue here. It's letting me do most everything. However, it's not letting me like for instance, the plus mark. Where am I here first? I don't want to get confused to you. Yeah, I'd rather have it that way. So I got to remember, you know, H, U. You know, then the next one is I and V. You know, it would have went this way with the tab, but I'd rather have it this way. So I got to try to remember what the hell it is I'm doing here. Where am I? U, right? Yes. And then the next tab over is going to be 8. I think it's that dot or dash. Dash, dot, dot. I think that's it. All right, now here, above that, I wanted to put the plus sign, which is going to be the dot dash, dot dash. But the plus sign apparently means something in the program. And it won't let me do it. It wants to add a character. So it's kind of screwing me up here. So let's try the minus just for the hell of it. Minus 1, 2, 3. I want to put some spaces in there just to make sure. So that'll be a space, dash, 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 space, dash, 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 space. Well, not space, but dash, dot, 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 dot. There's 4 dots. All right, I'm confusing myself here. Dash. It's been like 30, 35 years. That's why I'm trying to figure this out now to see where the hell I'm actually going. See? It added an A9, so it doesn't like the plus or minus mark. I take that out of there and I take that out of there. Put another space there. Now if I come over here, what happens? See, that's it. It won't let me use the plus or minus. Okay, well, I, 1, 2, 3, I, easy if I remember, which is a dot, dot, I think. V. Space, space, space. Maybe. I'm going to have to check this again, because again, like I said, I have no idea. It's been a long time. 9. Now the numbers, which are normally easy, I'm having a problem with. It confuses me a little bit with the Roman numerals. I think that's 9. 4 dashes and a dot. I'm not positive. All right, now let's see. If I want to put a, let's see what happens. Is it not going to let me do it? No. Okay, wait a minute. Okay, so I got the forward slash. Boom, boom, boom. Forward slash, you kind of use that sometimes as a break. Hold on a minute. Maybe. I'm thinking that's what it is. We'll see. Now, let's see if it will recognize that one. Okay, I can use that one. So far, the plus and minus are the only two that I can't seem to be using. I guess I could put it in there and just mark it in. I don't know. I mean, it's only a little cross and a little dot. It's just it's not going to look the way we want. H, I, J. Space, space, space. So, yeah, it's been like, I don't know, 30, 35 years, somewhere around there. It's been a while. J, that's one that I don't use all that much. J, 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 dot. Yeah, okay. Dot, dash, dash, dash. I think. W. These are other ones that you don't use a whole lot. Charlie. I'm thinking of call signs that will kind of like remind me of what I'm doing here. Dash, dash. It could be dash, dash, dot, but I'm thinking it's dot, dash, dash. Anyhow, and 10, the 10, it's actually just a 0, if I remember correctly. 1, 2, 3, and that is going to be an easy one if I, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Because I think 5 is 5 dot, 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 dots, and 10, which is a 0, would be dash, 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 I think. Again, just trying to remember. Now, an equal sign, is this going to take that? Oh, I don't want that. Let's go there. Equal. 1, 2, 3. That's the space. See, I don't even use these. Doing typing even. Punctuations and things I suck with, so I don't know. It's hard for me to even remember. Dash maybe? Dash. Dot, 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 dash. Yeah, I'm trying to remember if I'm mixing it up with a letter, a character or a number, because, each one's different a little bit, and sometimes they're just enough to confuse the crap out of you. Okay, now if I bring this over here, it'll tell me. Nope, it's not going to let me use the minus mark either. Okay. Or the plus sign rather. Not the plus, the equal sign. So I'm going to put that there anyway. And up here, I'm going to put what would be a plus. Plus, 1, 2, 3. Now, what was the plus? Now that I'm backing up, I'm a little, let me see, plus, dot, dash, dot, dash, maybe? I don't know, we'll have to figure it out. No, dot. Okay. All right. Let's go to K. And a 1, and a 2, and a 3. I think if you guys know it and you know that I'm doing something wrong here, let me know. I'm sure, let's get windy out there. I'm sure that there's a, yeah, I can probably find this on the internet. Hello. Just go to one of their ham channels. WX. 1, 2, 3, and a sip of coffee. Dot, dash, dash, dot. Where is it? X, dot, dash, dash, dot, where is it, dot, X, dash, dot, dash, I think. Okay, there's nothing there for 0, and there's nothing there for that, so let's finish off this L, 1, and a 2 and a 3 and dot, dash, dot, dot. I'm almost positive of that because I used to talk to Larry all the time, and I remember BL, BLA, which would be the dash, dot, no, dot, dash, dot, 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 dash for LA, I think. It's been a while. X and a Y. 1, 2, 3. Dash, dot, dash, dash. Yeah, it's like, yes, it's one of those things that you use a lot, and I think that's it. Dot, dash, dot, dot. Yeah, I'm almost 90%. I'm like 80-85% sure that I'm pretty good here. I am going to have to look it up. I should have thought about that to start with, because I may have already found it. Hello? But anyway, L. M. 1, 2, 3. Dash, dash. Y. No, not Y. Y. Y, Z. Y, Z. Zebra. Okay. And, okay, A, B, C, D. Okay, so I'm not gonna. I gotta write these 3 down that it's not let me, because I'm not gonna remember these things here. Is there a pencil around here someplace? Yes, there is. Hold on, guys. Okay, so the plus, the minus, and the equal are the 3 that it's not letting me use in this program. That's strange, because what happens if I had to use it in the program? There's got to be a way of doing it. All right, so let's save this. Save as. MORSE, where's it going? Documents, that's fine. Okay, now I want to take this. I don't want to take all of it. Okay, so let's take. Now, I know there's a way of doing this now too. I just don't remember how it is. I don't want to take it all. I just want to highlight what I want to highlight. There it is. Okay. Now let's make it bold. Okay. Let's make it bigger. So here we go. So the blind can read it. A little bit bigger. Yeah, let's take it up to 20. To 20. Okay, now let's save it again. And I want to make it any color. Sometimes if you make them every other one, like black, red, or black, blue, well, blue and black are kind of close. Sometimes it's easier if you're using this to pick them apart. I'm not going to do it right now. We're going to print. I want to print what I have here, what I have selected, and let's hit print. Let's see what happens. So anyhow, guys, today is Thursday, and I got quite a bit done. Okay, that doesn't look too bad, but I want to print the lines too, because that makes it easier to read. So, how do I do that? Let's do this, and I don't think I can screw it up. See that all borders. There we want to screw it up, but seeing that I have it select, I have it saved, I really can't screw it up now, can I? Now if it comes out okay, what I'll do is I'll copy it. Oh, there we go. Okay, so I have to put, the wife will probably know how to do this because she's, through the course of her jobs, she's been involved with going to these classes for all these things. Okay, so that's the first one here. Dot, dash, dot, dash, dot, dot, dash, dot, dash, dot. That's the plus. Okay, so let's put a plus here. Okay, the next one I believe is a minus. Dash, dot, 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 dash, minus. No, is there 5 dots or 4? I think that's 4, right? Minus. And then this one here is equal. Alright, so I added that one, and that one. There's got to be a way of doing it so that it doesn't identify it as something. You know, apparently those are some different keys. Because if I put it in there, what it does is it adds a couple of letters or a word or something right after it, and it's things that I don't want. So, all right, so we got that done. I got it saved. Oh, and take it one step at a time. I'm just waiting for that truck to come. I'd really like to have it go in the back. It would be so much easier. I just don't think I can get him back there. Especially, well, no, I don't think I can. It's going to be a little bit more work for us, but you know what? Let it be what it is. All right, who we have down here? So don't you think, I printed this out and I was having a problem with the plus, minus, and equal. With Excel, for some reason, those three are part of a command or something, and for that reason alone I couldn't use it. However, I do think there's a way around it. What happens if you use an Excel and you got to use those? So anyway, then I just decided I'm going to get on the internet real quick. Okay, well these are the two that I just did. I get on the internet and I find this. And it also gives you, which I use all the time, you know, your Alpha, Bravo, Charlie, Delta, Echo, Foxtrot. So that was actually a nice little find.